Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let's start. Today, we are going to solve word problems based on multiplication. Shantaram, a special cook. Children, this is Shantaram. He is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year, he was called for only 28 days. For each day, he has to be paid rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all for 28 days. Answer: for one day, Shantaram gets rupees 165. So for 28 days, how much money will he get? Cross multiply and divide. So we will cross multiply 165 with 28 and divide by 1. Children, as we know, anything we divide by 1, we get the same number. That is number itself. So I'll just multiply 165 with 28. So 165 8s are, we will find out first. 8 5s are is 40. 4 carry, write 0 down. 8 6 are is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. Write 2 down. 5 carry. 8 ones are is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So this is the answer of 165 8s are. Now 2 is in tens place. So we will put a 0 down. Now 2 5s are is 10. So put a 0 down and 1 carry. 6 2s are is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So put 3 down and carry 1. 2 ones are is 2. 2 plus 1 3. So this is the answer of 165 20s are. Now we will add both of these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is Shantaram, a special cook, will get rupees 4620 for 28 days. Now the question is, if Shantaram is called for all the days of the year, how much salary will he get? Children, we know that 1 year has 365 days. Answer: for one day, Shantaram gets rupees 165. So for 1 year, that is 365 days, how much money will he get? So cross multiply and divide. So 165 multiplied by 365 divided by 1. But whatever we divide by 1, we get the same number. So I'll just multiply 165 with 365. So first we will multiply 165 with 5. 5 5s are is 25. Put 5 down to carry. 6 5s are is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Put 2 down 3 carry. 5 ones are is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So write it down. Now we will multiply 165 with 60. So as 6 is in the tens place, so I'll put 0 down. Then 6 5s are is 30, 0 down, 3 carry, 6 6 are is 36, plus 3, 39. So put 9 down, 3 carry, 6 ones are 6, plus 3, 9. So 165 multiplied by 60 is 9900. Since now 3 is in hundreds place, so we will put 2 zeros down. 3 5s are is 15. Write 5 down. Carry 1. 3 6 are is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So write 9 down and carry 1. 3 ones are 3 is 3 plus 1 gives 4. So 165 300s are is 49,500. Now we will add all these three numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 9 plus 5 is 22. So put 2 down and 2 carry. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So put 0 down, 2 carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. So Shantaram the cook, special cook, will get rupees 60,225 rupees if he is called for all days, that is for 365 days. Now next, find the salaries of minister and horse rider for 1 year. Children, first we will find the salary of minister for 1 year. As we know, 1 year has 365 days. From this table, you can see that the salary of minister for 1 day is rupees 195. So salary of minister for 1 year, that is 365 days, will be how much? Cross multiply and divide. So we will multiply 195 with 365. First, we will multiply 195 with 5. 5 5s are is 25. Put 5 down, carry 2. 9 5s are is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Put 7 down and carry 4. 5 ones are is 5 plus 4 gives 9. So 195 multiplied by 5 is 975. Now next, since 6 is in tens place, so put a 0 down. Now 6 5s are is 30. 0 down, 3 carry. 9 6 are is 54 plus 3 is 57. Put 7 down, 5 carry. 6 ones are is 6 plus 5 is 11. So 195 60s are is 11,700. Now since 3 is in hundreds place, so put 2 zeros down. 3 5s are is 15. Put 5 down, carry 1. 9 3s are is 27 plus 1 is 28. So put 8 down, carry 2. 3 ones are is 3 plus 2 gives 5. So 195 300s are is 58,500. Now we will add all these three numbers. 5 plus 0 gives 5. 7 plus 0 gives 7. 9 plus 7 plus 5 gives 21. So put 1 down and carry 2. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So put 1 down and carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 7. So put 7 down. So salary of minister for 1 year, that is 365 days, is rupees 71,175. Now we will find salary of a horse rider for 1 year, that is 365 days. From this table we can see that horse rider gets rupees 76 in 1 day. So salary of horse rider for 1 day is rupees 76. So salary of horse rider for 365 days is question mark. So cross multiply and divide. So I'll multiply 365 with 76. First I'll multiply 365 with 6. 6 5s are is 30. Put 0 down. 3 carry. 6 6 are is 36 plus 3 is 39. Put 9 down. 3 carry. 6 3s are is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So 365 6 are is 2190. Now since 7 is in tens place, so put 1 0 down. 7 5s are is 35. Put 5 down and 3 carry. 7 6 are is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So put 5 down and carry 4. 7 3s are is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So put 25 down. So 365 70s are is 25,550. Now we will add this both numbers. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 down, carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7 and put 2 down. So the salary of horse rider for 365 days, that is 1 year, is rupees 27,740. Years and years. Children, this is Sohan. Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses will he drink in 1 month? Answer, it is given that in 1 day, Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water. And children, we all know 1 month has 30 days. So in 30 days, how much glasses of water will he drink? So cross multiply and divide. So I'll multiply 30 and 8. Now put this 0 here. Now 8 3s are is 24. So Sohan drinks 240 glasses of water in 1 month, that is 30 days. Next question is, how many glasses will Sohan drink in 1 year? Answer, in 1 day, Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water. So in 1 year, that is 365 days, he will drink how much glass of water? Cross multiply and divide. So I'll multiply 365 with 8. 8 5s are is 40. Put 0 down, carry 4. 8 6 are is 48. Plus 4 is 52. Put 2 down, 5 carry. 8 3s are is 24. Plus 5 is 29. So put 29 down. So Sohan drinks 2,920 glasses of water in 365 days, that is 1 year. Next question. If 125 people living in a colony drink 8 glasses of water in a day, how much water will they drink in a year? Answer, like Sohan, each person living in a colony drinks 8 glasses of water in 1 day. So in 1 year, each person will drink. Children, we know 1 year is 365 days. So 365 multiplied by 8 gives 2,920 glasses of water. So in 1 year, each person will drink 2,920 glasses of water. But if 125 persons are there, then how much glasses of water they will drink in 1 year? Cross multiply and divide. So I'll multiply 2,920 with 125. So first I'll multiply 2,920 with 5. 5 zeros are is 0, 5 twos are is 10, put 0 down, carry 1, 9 fives are is 45, plus 1 is 46, put 6 down, 4 carry, 5 twos are is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, so put 14 down. Since 2 is in tens place, so put 0 down, 2 zeros are is 0, 2 twos are is 4, so put 4 down, 9 twos are is 18, put 8 down and carry 1, 2 twos are is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, since 1 is in hundreds place, put 2 zeros down. Then, 1 zeros are is 0, put 0 down, 1 twos are is 2, 1 nines are is 9, 1 twos are is again 2. Now, we will add all these three numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. Put 0 down. Carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Put 5 down. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Put 6 down. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So put 3 down. So the answer is 125 people will drink 3,65,000 glasses of water in 1 year. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.